Hello everyone from Adventure and Tech Munch. I hope you guys are doing okay. So today we'll be just comparing the Z Fold 6 with the newest and greatest device, which is Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. So both are the newest tablets. This one is the foldable line and this one is the truly tablet, like Ultra tablet, best of the best from the Samsung. And we'll be just comparing about the speed test of these both devices, mainly because like if you're just confused to buy, like in case you're considering the Z Fold 6, because most of the people just consider to buy just the Z Fold 6 and just skip the tablet because of the convenience of use that you get with the Z Fold 6. And I just wanted to compare the chip as well on both of these, and in future I'll be just comparing the Z Fold 6 speed test I'll be doing with the S9 Ultra tablet as well. So we just go ahead and just run some basics apps on these both phones, and so you would know like how these performs on these both devices. So software wise, these are like both pretty much similar when we compare to the inside screen. And yeah, if we talk about the specs of this phone, so here you get the 9300 MediaTek Dimensity processor over here. Here you get the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. S10 Ultra is the 256 GB version bundled up with 12 gigs of RAM. The S and the Z Fold 6 is also 12 GB RAM with the 512 gigs of storage over here. We just go ahead and just run the Pinterest first, and before we start the test, I would like to know like both devices are be connected to the same network. There are no background apps running, as you can see, and we just go ahead and just run the test in between these both. So we'll be starting with the Pinterest. So 1 2 3 go. Pretty much similar results you are getting over here. Just make the this one a little brighter. Yeah, you just go ahead and run again. 1 2 3 go. So we ran this one 2 times, and the Z Fold 6 was the first one to complete. Then we run the InShot. So 1 2 3 go. Pretty much similar, a little bit faster maybe on the Z Fold 6. Now we just go ahead and run the light cut. So 1 2 3 go. Faster on the Z Fold 6. Now we just go ahead and run the calculator. 1 2 3 go. Pretty much similar, not any difference in between these both. By the way, I'm just really liking the anti-reflective coating on the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra, which is very helpful in just muting down the reflections like once I'm using this one. So I'm just finding it pretty much nice in that terms. Now we just run the calendar. So 1 2 3 go. A little bit faster on the Z Fold 6, but very negligible kind of difference, like doesn't matter at all this much. Now we run the Google Chrome. So 1 2 3 go. Very similar. I'm really loving the big screen on the Samsung Galaxy S10 Ultra though. And now we just run the Play Store on both of these. So 1 2 3 go. Wow, Z Fold 6 was like kind of instant, and we just scroll. Both are like 120 Hz displays and pretty much smooth. Like I'm just scrolling this one. Very smooth displays, very similar experience you'll just get. Obviously you're just getting so much context over here than what you get to see on the Z Fold 6. As you can see, like there's a massive difference because of the bigger real estate you're just getting over here. And yeah, both are like 120 Hz displays, so yeah, that will just give this one advantage in terms of the smooth use of these both devices. But yeah, these are completely different. Both are tablets. This is in a mini form, foldable form. and this is like a real tablet. So now we just go ahead and run the Temple Run 2. So 1, 2, 3, go. Very similar experience you're getting. A little bit faster on the Tab S9 Ultra. Speed wise, very similar you're just getting on both of these devices. And I'm just loving that bigger screen on the S10 Ultra tablet. Alright, so yeah, very nice gameplay on these both. Like both are really great screens, very beautiful to play games. Now we'll be just running the Subway Surf. So 1, 2, 3, go. So yeah, so Tab S9 Ultra was the first one to open this one. You just go ahead and just give a little play to it. So 1, 2, 3, go. All right. So now I will just go ahead and just run the speed test. So 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, so Z Fold 6, open this one first. Now 1, 2, 3, go. Alright, so Z Fold 6 completed the test first. So now we'll be just running the camera on these both. So 1, 2, 3, go. I think S10 Ultra was a little bit faster than the Z Fold 6. And now we'll be just running some games. So the first one we'll be running will be the S Legends Unite. So 1, 2, 3, go. Very similar launch of the game, but one thing you'll notice, like the screen is so much cutting out on the Z Fold 6. Like that I always say, like once you're just playing the games on the inside the screen, so it's not wide enough, it's kind of a squarish, so that just cuts the screen, which is kind of a bummer in terms of the inner screen. However, it's really good to play games on this one. But yeah, if we compare it with the regular phone, so yeah, so that's quite narrow field of view that you get once you're just playing game on the inner screen of the Z Fold 6. And as you can see, like the on the S10 Ultra tablet, you are getting much more wider depth field of view, you can say. Yes, it got all right. So we just running the Rail Racing 3 now. So 1, 2, 3, go. All right, so it was much faster on the Z Fold 6, this one. And now we'll be just launching the CSR Racing 2 over here. So 1, 2, 3, go. The first impression I'm getting, like you're getting much more details on the Z Fold 6. This like crispier picture you're getting over there. I don't know, this game looks very much pixelated on the S10 Ultra. Not sure why is that. Like I used to play this game on the S10 Ultra tablet, and like it's shows much more pixelated and not so much good graphics on the S10 Ultra. However, on the S10 Ultra, it's like completely blast. Like it's the perfect graphics you're getting. Maybe it has to do something about the optimization of this game on the S10 Ultra tablet. Now we'll be just running the Modern Combat 5 over here. So 1, 2, 3, go. Very similar, slightly faster on the Z Fold 6, but yeah, we'll just wait and see. Alright, so it was faster on the S10 Ultra tablet. So yeah, so it was faster on the S10 Ultra tablet. And lastly, we'll be running the Geekbench Test 6 to know the real performance difference. So 1, 2, 3, go. Pretty similar, a little bit faster on the Z Fold 6. Now we'll be just running the CPU benchmark. So 1, 2, 3, go. Alright, so we can see the Tab S10 Ultra have completed a test with the 2151 of single score and the multi-core score of 7084, and we are just waiting for the Z Fold 6 to complete the test. I think it's almost done. Yeah. So yeah, and we get to see the 1846 single core on the score on the Z Fold 6 with 6191 multi-core score on the Z Fold 6. So yeah, very much faster and capable chip you're just getting on the Tab S10 Ultra in terms of the CPU. And now we'll be just running the GPU test to know better how the GPU performs on this one. I assume the GPU on the Z Fold 6 is better, but we'll just go ahead and see. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, go. Alright, so Tab S10 Ultra have completed the GPU test with the GPU CL score 12244, and we'll just wait for the Z Fold 6 to complete the test. Alright, so GPU test has also be completed by the Z Fold 6 and came out to be a score of 11095. So you're just getting a better GPU on the Tab S10 Ultra. I was wrong. I was expecting like the Z Fold 6 will be getting a higher score, but no. So the Tab S10 Ultra got the better score on the GPU as well. And just wanted to know you guys, like if you guys are considering any of these devices. So these both devices are very much capable in terms of the performance, like you won't be wrong with any of the devices. But yeah, the point I will just give a little bit, because most of in the daily use, like if we talk about, so Z Fold 6 was slightly faster in terms of launching the apps. However, if you're just comparing this one side by side, you'll know that difference. Otherwise, like you won't find any kind of difference in both of these devices if you're just considering the Z Fold 6 to be as your primary tablet device solely, because Z Fold 6 can fold down and have a different form factor, which can just lead to the to become a regular phone, which is, it became a regular phone now. So this has a little bit advantage in terms of the Tab S10 Ultra. But yeah, with the Tab S10 Ultra, you're just getting the pencil, which is at the back with the magnetic point that you get with the tablet itself. So yeah, both have their own pros and cons. So it depends upon you guys. You guys can let me know, like which one do you guys prefer in terms of if you're just considering the as a primary device, or if you just want a phone and a tablet in a one device. So obviously the option only you will left it with the Z Fold 6 over here. And if you are just considering the primary usage of a tablet, so obviously I would just give little bit points to the S10 Ultra in terms of that it has much more versatility. You have a bigger screen. And if you're just bothered with the weight of this device, I would just say just go ahead and just get the S10 Ultra tablet. That would be a little bit sweeter spot. So yeah, you guys can let me know, like which one would you prefer if you're just considering to buy as a primary device in terms of the tablet. Yeah, so that's all. If you guys have any questions, you can just let me know down in the comments, and I'll just try to answer those. And please like, share, and subscribe, and have a good day. Bye.